In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and manage a Forex trade using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to navigate through this process is essential. So let's dive right in and get started with logging into the platform. First things first, you'll want to head over to app.plus500.com. Here, you'll log in with your credentials to access your trading dashboard. Once you've logged in successfully, you're ready to move on to the next step of choosing a Forex pair that you'd like to trade. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a panel with various options. Click on Forex to access the available currency pairs. You'll discover a range of options, including major pairs like xauusd, minor pairs, and even some exotic choices. For this tutorial, let's say you decide on xauusd or gbp-USD. The choice is yours, depending on your research or trading strategy. Once you've picked your Forex pair, it's time to open the trade window. This is where you'll decide if you're going to buy or sell. If you believe the currency pair will increase in value, click on Buy. On the other hand, if you think it's going to decrease, you'll want to click Sell. This decision will set the stage for how you intend to profit from the trade, so ensure your analysis supports your choice. Now, let's set up the trade details. Here, you need to determine the amount, which is essentially the size of your position. This decision aligns with your risk management strategy. Next, consider the stop-loss option, which automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you by a specified amount. Similarly, there's the Take Profit feature that allows your trade to close once it hits a certain profit level. Both tools are crucial for managing risk and ensuring you're prepared for any market moves. Additionally, you have the option to adjust your leverage, which changes your exposure to the market. Be cautious with leverage, as it amplifies both potential gains and losses. When you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to place the trade. You'll do this by clicking on Open Position, or alternatively, Buy Sell based on your initial choice. This confirms your trade, and off you go into the world of active Forex trading. With your position open, it's important to monitor its progress. Navigate to the Open Positions section of your dashboard, where you can view live updates of your profit or loss and make any necessary adjustments to your stop loss or take profit levels. Finally, the moment comes to close your position. Select the trade you want to close, then click on Close Position. By doing so, any profit or loss from your trade will immediately reflect in your account balance, effectively concluding this trading session. And there you have it. You now know how to place, manage, and close a Forex trade on Plus500. Remember, practice and informed strategy are key to sharpening your trading skills. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.